Word around the campfire is that somebody wants to sue me for slander, libel, because of what some drivers are posting on my channel about what happened to them and us speaking. Wait a minute. Hold up. Wait. I keep it 100. Now we lit. Let's get lit now. Now we lit. I had to light my shit up. Like I said, I do it for real. When I looked in the camera and I saw what, now we lit. Let's get lit. See, you always talking about that sign right there, but you never see that. That sits behind me all the time. So when somebody was telling me about libel and slander, see, they didn't see that. They was looking at that. They was trying to make fun of that. Why ain't you making fun of that? Free speech, First Amendment. I can say whatever I want to say online as long as I don't commit slander or libel. Any driver on my channel can speak about whatever they want on my channel as long as they don't commit slander or libel. And when these people are saying, hey man, I paid this and he did this, this, and this. He scammed me because he didn't say he was doing that. He said he was going to do this, this, and this. And this is all I got. He scammed me, man. Let people know this is what he doing. No other channel wants to talk about that. We got this right here. We got that. First Amendment. Welcome to our country. This is America. Welcome to our country. You may not have took civics when you was in high school or elementary. We took civics. We know what that's about. We understand what them stars mean. It mean we came over here. We could speak. Anybody that got something to say it. Anybody that want to censor you, block you, ban you, flag you, they trying to do that for a reason. Hush you. Always talking about, oh, I got attorneys. I got attorneys. What you got so many attorneys for? I mean, I can see if you was unhealthy and you had a lot of doctors and nutritionists around. If you was always in trouble with, people trying to get on you, then you got security guards all around. I got a lot of security around me, man. I'm always having security issues. But you got a lot of attorneys around you. You got a lot of legal problems? I ain't never seen so many people with that, so many people that got all these attorneys. Oh, I got attorneys, man. I got all these attorneys around me. My attorneys. If you in that many legal issues and legal problems, because I ain't never seen nobody on your channel talk about how your attorneys ever helped them. I always hear you talk about how you got all these attorneys. Are you in a lot of problems? Do you not understand the Constitution? Do you not know what the laws are in this country to where you always got to go get an attorney to help you understand something? Is that what the problem is? Because apparently you don't know something. And you always have an attorney. Oh, I got an attorney to help me. I got an attorney on deck right now. I mean, anybody with an attorney on speed dial, no, I'm not fucking with you. No, you got attorneys on speed dial. I'm not fucking with you. I don't know what your deal is. See, I got that. I got that on speed dial. That flag right there, that stay on speed dial. When I want to say something, I say it. A lot of channels don't like that. That's their fucking problem. That's the Constitution right there. I can speak my mind if I feel like it. Why do you think I created this channel? So I can have a bunch of other channels tell me how to speak, when to speak, what to speak about, why to even speak about it. Dude, I got the flag hanging behind me. I had to light that shit up because y'all apparently don't even see it. I put it behind me almost every podcast I do from my room to let you know this is about free speech. I'm protected by that flag back there. So if you want to sue me, you got to sue every driver on my channel that says, hey, Jeff, I got scammed. I'm like, how? What happened? Oh, damn, so he's scamming people like that? Jeff, my friend got scammed. How? Oh, he did it. Oh, damn, like that? So if you gonna try to sue me for slander, you need to first prove that I'm the one who said I got scammed. You got to prove that. You got to prove that I have information that you got scammed when all these drivers are the ones who saying they got scammed and they have information that they got scammed. So you gonna sue me? That's like, imagine walking into a McDonald's, a bunch of us walking into McDonald's. And we go, oh man, the professor scammed me. And the manager of McDonald's would be like, what? He scammed y'all, the professor scammed y'all. What you gonna do, sue McDonald's because the manager who runs the building is now speaking about what people in the establishment are talking about? My channel is the establishment where people are talking about it. I'm just saying, hey man, that's fucked up. If he doing you like that, yeah, that shit it sounds misleading to me. Because you can't even have an attorney in small claims court. So why is this dude telling people, pay me money, I'm gonna have my attorneys do this and do that and do this. And then all you get is, oh, you got to go to small claims and file for yourself. Well, so you paying me all that money to tell me some shit like that? That's misleading. That's a scheme. That's a scam. That's what that is to me. Because I would feel scammed if that shit happened to me. The next person might not. Just like how it is in the real world. I might look up at the sky and I might say, damn, it's a nice day today. It's blue. It's nice. The sky, the wind is blowing, the palm trees are blowing. It's nice where I'm at. Somebody in Ohio might look up and be like, man, we got gray skies. It's fucking raining. See, we woke up the exact same day. We both looking at the exact same sky, but we see two different things. See, I'm seeing what I have over my head. I'm seeing my reality. They're seeing their reality. So maybe in your reality, you ain't scamming nobody. Maybe in your reality, you see it as a good way to get money off of people. Maybe you see it that way. So you don't call it a scam or a scheme. You call it doing good business, to tell people shit, mislead them, get money out of their pockets, and then start blocking them, banning them, flagging them, won't letting them talk to you about, hey man, I thought you said banned. Hey man, you told me you flagged. Hey man, I don't blocked. So maybe you looking up, seeing all these blue skies and palm trees and everything, because you don't think it's a scam. You think it's one thing, but they look up and it's storm clouds. It's raining outside. It's thundering, because they weren't told this is what's gonna happen. So you doing something completely different than straight up good business. Because if you were doing straight up good business, every channel will be talking about it and recommending you. I don't see no other channel recommending you. I don't see no channel out there saying, make sure you hit up the professor at Gig Rocket and make sure you, I don't see no channel doing that, but you claim you running good business. It ain't a channel I've seen doing that. If they are doing it, that's on them promoting your shit. And if I was a driver, I would say, hey, this channel is promoting Gig Rocket for him. Everybody, say the truth. Say the truth. Say this channel is promoting Gig Rocket for him. Say who's involved in that shit. It's cool. That ain't slander or libel. If you see them say, hey man, go over to Gig Rocket, he'll help you. Go deal with the professor and pay him. Go tell people this channel's promoting him. Say it. What, they gonna sue you for slander because you telling the truth? This is what people do when they fear you. They try to threaten you. Bruh, I took the L, said I was trying to be an attorney. You think I'm scared of fucking attorneys? You know how many times I've been to court for random things, through custody cases, divorce? You think I'm scared of attorneys? I was trying to be one. So you telling me, oh, my attorneys, okay, they're people like me. They went to law school. They got a bar exam number. So I'm supposed to fear them because they made it to a level in life that I was going to go to, but I just didn't want to drive across the country to go to law school. So now I got to fear these people? No, I was finna be one of those people because I understand what that flag means back there. You don't. You didn't take civics, probably. I don't know. But if you took civics, you'd understand what slander is, what libel is. Defamation, you'd understand what that. It has to be false information to be defamation. You can't say a truth. If I see you run into somebody's car and I go, hey man, that dude just hit that car, and you go, you can't tell nobody that, that's defamation. You can't be telling people I hit that car, that's defamation. But you did, I just saw it, you just hit that car. That's I'm gonna sue you for slander and libel. That's what the professor is doing. Because everybody on my channel is like, dude, he scammed me. He schemed money out of my pocket, man. Oh, he took me for this. Oh, he got me for this. And you sitting there, oh, and I'm just saying, hey, this is what they saying. Oh, Jeff, that's slander. That's defamation. Hey, you can look all up and down my channel. Look all up and down my channel. You see everybody saying it. So you going to sue all of these people too? That's what you telling me? Because all these people want to talk to you. You the one that don't want to talk to them. You avoiding them. Everybody in the rideshare community is avoiding this conversation because they know what it's all about. They ain't stupid. Ain't nobody stupid. People play stupid. They pretend to be stupid because they want to act like, oh, well, I didn't know. I wasn't a part of that. That's drama. Yeah, but let the apps do something to one of these drivers. First thing you're going to do, send me your story. Email me your story today. I want to see your story. Email me your story so I can tell people how you got screwed over by Uber and Lyft. But it's like, hey, man, I'm going to tell you what the rideshare professor did to me. Oh, I ain't got nothing to do with that, man. No. But I'm a driver, though, man. Somebody got me for some money. No, man, I ain't messing with that. And that's how this community is. And people are tired of that shit. Tired of it. And you got the nerve to think you're going to make videos. Like, oh, I'm gonna sue him, y'all. I got him. And everybody's like, yeah. I'm like, look at these idiots. Look at them. They don't even understand what slander and libel is, what defamation is. They don't even understand the situation. They never went and saw my video to see what this dude is doing and what people are saying what he's doing. They just hear a word out of his mouth and they're like, yeah, professor, go, get him. Try me. I can countersue. America, I can countersue for attorney's fees, my time, pain and suffering, tort law. I can, anything that deals with duty, a duty to the community, I can sue you for that. It's tort law. So if I feel you didn't do me any justice by threatening to sue me, attempting to do something to my channel with a threat. Because like I said, we got a ton of lawsuits out here, frivolous lawsuits out here. And I can say he was threatening a frivolous lawsuit against me in order to defame my channel and to debunk my channel from what people on my channel were saying, even though they were the ones that he was doing it to. I mean, look at Tony the Closer. He was threatened by DJ Envy. He was threatened. I'm going to sue you, Tony. If you don't quit saying I'm scheming people and scamming people, I'm going to sue you. What happened to DJ Envy? He was found out to be scamming people. So he's probably going to jail. His partner already in jail, out on bail right now. He got fired from his job, all because he was trying to threaten people. Don't say that about me on your channel, man. I'll sue you. I'm going to sue you for defamation. I'm going to sue you for slander and libel. Tony the Closer started laughing at his ass. It's like, bruh, I'm just letting you know what people are saying about you in the community. You gonna sue me for you screwing people over, them saying they got screwed over, and now you mad at me for saying they got screwed over. Bruh, you gotta, I can countersue. I'll countersue your ass, and guess what? Who will win that battle? You tell me. Because my attorneys would have a field day with it. And you say, oh, you got attorneys, Jeff? Shit, I'll find one. And this is an easy case. This ain't even hard. This is easy because all this shit's on the internet. It's all recorded. Everything's recorded. So I ain't even got to do nothing but say, hey, man, let me copy this for you, paste this for you, sing in this video, sing in that video. Damn, Jeff, I ain't got to interview nobody? Nope. These guys will email you everything they need. Professor, he runs his mouth so much, he has no idea what he's even saying. This is a cakewalk. Well, let's countersue his ass. Cakewalk. Try me. I'm one of them kind of cats.